County in south central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, western Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5 o'clock p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Pottsville to Shippensburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Seven Stars and Gettysburg, Pine Grove Furnace and Boiling Springs, Harrisburg and Lickdale, Heidlersburg and Summit Station, Lemoyne, Lake Mead and East Berlin. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 206 and 274, Interstate 78 between mile markers 0 and 8, Interstate 81 between mile markers 28 and 121, Interstate 83 between mile markers 23 and 50, Interstate 283. This will also impact the following major roads: the Harrisburg Expressway, the Harrisburg Airport Connector, State Highway 283, Route 11, Route 1115, Route 15, Route 22, Route 30, Route 209, Route 322, Route 322-22, Route 422, State Road 61, State Road 94, State Road 501. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts and large hail. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 o'clock p.m. Tuesday evening for central Pennsylvania. Now for the official